In this video, I want to demonstrate how to turn a sketch as shown here into a revolved part. So first, I'm going to Control Tab back to just my plain sketch document. Same as making an extrusion, we need a sketch first. So I'm going to select my sketch, then I'm going to choose Revolved Boss Base. Now SOLIDWORKS has done a couple things for me. I'm just going to zoom to fit this to the screen. Because I only had one center line, it's assumed it's the axis of revolution for the revolve, and it is. So I want to make a blind revolve going 360 degrees in one direction. If I only wanted to go 180 degrees, I would enter 180, and now I can reverse the direction if that's the wrong half. Or I could go 90 degrees in one direction, and then I could turn on direction 2, just like with an extrusion, and I could go a different angle, say 45 degrees in direction 2. However, I'm going to turn this off, and I do want a full 360 degree revolve, and I'm going to accept that, and now I've made my first Revolved Boss.